Hello, hello, hello. I hope all is well with you and your family. Welcome for another day of live technical analysis where you can know when to enter, where to place stop loss, and where to put your take profit. We are an educational platform and you can check our previous live stream where you can learn and add to your trading strategy. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe or else Bagdanov will dump on you. Feel free to ask questions and suggest coins so we can add it today. Okay. Let's now check our coin. Hello, Jason. Jason Candol, hello. Hello, El Negro. Hello, Jeffrey. Hello, Ariel. Hello, Clee. Let's go. Yes. Hello, Ariel. Hello, Franklin. Paro, hello. Julius Kent Mendoza, hello. Nia, hello. Shout out to people from Tagaytay, okay? Take care, okay? Seems like there is a warning in your beloved Taal. Okay? So take care. Trade safe, stay safe, okay? Okay. Arviel, hello. Sam. Hello, Jeramil. Hello, Diana May. Hello, Matthew. Hello, Mary. Hello, Clean. Hello, Chris Cruz. Hello, Droy G. Oh, you become consistent, huh? So we appreciate you here always, okay? Hello, Chris Cruz. From the beginning. Okay? Since the beginning, Chris Cruz. Okay, Lodi. Hello, Clyde. Tian. Hello. Galeen Elliot, hello everyone. Hello. Okay. Hello, Ben Amiro, hello. Okay. So today is a little extra special for our marriage relationship as it is our wedding anniversary. So we are now 3 years. Okay, we are now 3 years happily married for 3 years. Wow. So my wife is happy and I am married. Yeah, 3 years happily married, right? Okay, my wife is happy and I am married. Hello, Galeen Elliot. Yes. So, okay. Cheers. Thank you for congratulating us. We appreciate, okay? So, basic technical analysis you must learn. So, what are the basic you can learn? Happy. Yes. So, we celebrated it yesterday, Sunday. With some church people friends, and then we celebrated a little today also. Okay, yeah, they say if you overcome the first 3 years in marriage, the next years will be easier. Okay, because the first 3 years you're gonna build some new hobbies. Okay, if you are not used to being married yet, you are used to being single. So now getting married would mean you have, for the first 3 years, you are able to adjust already. Okay, so you are able to adjust and you are familiar already, and there will be less fight. Okay, less fight hopefully. Okay, so basically you become healthy. Okay, yeah, so you need to overcome your first 3 years. So usually the first 3 years, before that 3 years, there's divorce always. Okay, marriage usually ends before 3 years, and once you overcome it, then you can stay longer together. Okay, and the first reason why they get divorced is money problem. Okay, so once you fix your first problem in the future, once you get married, which is money problem, then that means you can survive the first 3 years. Okay, so that's why we are here in day trading, because we are going to make some money. All right. Okay? So we are growing our capital. We are growing our funds. Okay? So that's why we are day trading. Okay? To be financially stable and avoid fights related to money. Okay? Okay, so okay, for those who are new here, I would like to share something a little about Wyckoff market cycle. So Wyckoff market cycle is accumulation, distribution, and then accumulation again. Okay, and for those who are not familiar with this one, this is always seen in the market. Okay, you always see this in the market, like this one: accumulation, reaccumulation, distribution, accumulation, reaccumulation, distribution, redistribution, and then accumulation phase again. Okay, so you always see that in the market. And using Wyckoff, by the way, is one of the founder. Okay, the 5 giant. They are one of the 5 giant of technical analysis. Okay, so Wyckoff, Richard DeMille Wyckoff, Dow, okay, with the Dow Jones, okay, Charles Dow, okay, and then Elliott, and then Merrill. They are the 5, Gann, and also Gann, Gann. So they are the 5 giants, or the 5 pillars, or they are the founders of technical analysis. Okay, and one who founded the technical analysis is from 1800s, Charles Dow, which is now we have is one of the founder of the 2 founder of Dow Jones. Okay, okay, index. Okay. So why Wyckoff market cycle is important? Because all the indicators, most of the indicators that we are using are all delayed. Okay, all are lagging. Okay, they cannot give you exact signal when to enter. Okay, they usually are lagging or delayed. And if that is the case, especially most of the indicators were created before the AI time, before the algorithm, before supercomputers. Okay, RSI was created 1978. Okay, MACD was created 1979. So you can just imagine they were pretty delayed indicators. That's why once you use it, you also get a delayed result. Okay? So if you want to trade like this AI, like these algorithms, they are using the market cycle, or should I say the Wyckoff market structure, the demand and supply. Okay? This is the way. If you want to make money in the market, of course, we can still use those indicators for confirmation and stuff to support our idea. But of course, they are just for support. You need to master the supply and demand. Okay? So demand greater than supply, the prices goes up. Supply greater than demand, the price goes down. Okay? And this is the Wyckoff price cycle. Oversold, this one is this one, okay? And this one is the logic, why it looks like that. When demand is greater than supply, then so many demand, so many buyers here, but no one selling here. So the prices goes up. The price goes up because it was oversold. No more buyer, no more seller anymore. So much buyer. So the price went up. And in the distribution area, it's overbought. So many buyers, okay? Like 1 billion buyer. And then there are 10 billion seller. So you can imagine like that, okay? So overbought. So when supply is greater than demand, the price goes down. Okay? So basically, you are looking at a basic economics, okay? So the supply and demand. Okay, so this is the demand zone. You need to figure out where is the demand zone, and you also need to figure out the supply zone. Okay, so for example, the banks, the smart money, the AI, the algorithm, you see in 90s, okay, 1990s, when I watch a documentary series about what is happening in the stock market. You see, during those 90s, there are only 30% left trading in the New York Stock Exchange. The 70% are outside the New York Stock Exchange. They are trading outside and they are trading using computers, algorithm. Okay? So that's what happening. That's what is happening. So if you look at this demand and supply zone, example, here, you usually see a huge volume here, kick. Okay? Like this one. Okay? Okay? You usually see a volume kick like this one. Okay? A pump. And then a breakout. Usually a breakout. Okay? You can usually see a volume. So from there, okay. So from there, it pumps. So let's say we have order here like 4 million. Okay? And then it pumps here. And then this is a supply zone, which is there is so many seller here. Okay? So let's say demand and supply zone are AI location, meaning these are the place where the AI or the algorithm is placing their order, either short position or long position. So demand zone is long position, and of course supply zone is the short position. So here the AI is also placing another. Here the algorithm also has a, let's say, a 10 million. Okay? So now it's able to drop the price and then retest and then drops again and then form a little supply area here. So wanna retest and then drops again and then retest here, another supply area here, little supply area. Okay, so that one retest of the zone, supply zone, then drops and then retest again here, another supply zone. Okay, it's turning all the demand zone into supply and then drops again here. So once it touches here, you see the smart money will not allow themselves to lose money. Okay, so the AI or algorithm will place another position here. Let's say 5 million. Okay, 5 million. So with that 5 million, it pumps a little, but there is a strong supply here. Okay, the supply area here, we retest it and then we get a rejection and then touches again here. So the AI or algorithm orders right away another 10 million. Okay, to pump this. So it pump again. You can see long wick. That means it's inside the supply area. Okay, so touches, rejected, touches, rejected, touches, rejected. So there are so many selling also here. So we got a rejection and then we have a retest here, a small supply area, long wick, and then drops another supply area here from here. Okay, so touches the supply area, a rejection again, and then here touches the demand zone and then touches the demand zone again. So here another open position for the algorithm, a long position. Okay, and then from touching that one, maybe they said, okay, I think it's time now to pump the price. Okay, so you see this is 4 million plus 5 million plus 10 million, so it's already 19 million, and they're gonna put 1 billion position here. So it's gonna break the supply here, a retest, and then break again. Okay, and then break the supply zone, major supply zone, and then fly. Okay, so basically once you know the supply and demand area, you know also where to place your stop loss. Okay, because in trading you need to know your stop loss. So if you are opening short position, you need to find the supply area and your stop loss is above. Okay, and if you are trading in stop loss SL, okay, yeah, gonna get some. And then in demand zone, you always put a stop loss also below the demand zone. Okay, so you will not get hit stop loss below. Okay? Then stop loss below. Okay? Because if you don't know where to place stop loss, then what happens to you? You always hit your stop loss. You are out of the trade and then you always hit your stop loss. Okay? For example, if you entered here and then it went down and then went up and then your stop loss is here, then you got hit your stop loss. So, and then it went down again. So you got hurt because it went your way, but you are not in the trade. Okay? Hello, hello, hello. I hope I am making sense, okay? Do I make sense for you now? Hello, John Ventura, RA. Ed mo na share na. Hello, T. Hi, hello, hello, RA. Hello, hello. Okay, I hope you are learning something from what I am teaching, okay? So you just place your stop loss below the demand zone and the supply zone. How do you know that you're in demand and supply? Usually, once you touch the zone, you're gonna have long wick like this one. This is a strongest zone. You drop right away. If you stay a little longer, then that's a strong zone. But if you stay too long, that's a weak zone. You can flip it. Okay, you can flip that one. Okay? Okay, okay. So, here. Example. You have a rally, and then base, and then rally again. The AI usually enters here from this rally, and then if you are trading this area now, their entry is right here. Okay, this breakout volume. Okay, so it's already noisy now, right? With the campaign period in the Philippines. So right here, entry here. I will be voting in Quezon City. That's where I am registered. Okay. So I hope you vote also. Okay. So even if you think your vote doesn't count, just vote. Just exercise your being Filipino. Okay. So going back here, you enter here. Okay, you enter here, and then it pumps. And then where are you going to enter next? This entry here, because there will always be a retest to the demand zone. Okay, it will touch here. Not just retest. You can see a low volume test. Okay, so once it goes down, then you buy again, because here the AI or the algorithm will automatically place order again. Okay, so that it will pump higher. Okay. The same with the trend continuous base, drop, base, stop. Okay, your entry here. And then you wait for the confirmation of the low volume, and then you enter again here. Okay, so you have two entry and then drops again. Okay. Okay, okay. So that's how you do. Okay. Okay. Let's. Okay. Okay, okay. So basically, that's what we are doing, and that's what our market right now it looks like. Okay. Weekly time frame, we have a breakout already. Okay. This is an old chart. Okay, you can see resistance, breakout, and we are already in the breakout area, and we are now back. We are now back with our head and shoulder pattern, invalidating our head and shoulder. We might see a pump here. Okay, head and shoulder invalidation is right here. Seems like we are above the invalidation pattern of our head and shoulder. That means we have invalidated the head and shoulder, so we can pump more to the upside. Okay. Okay. Okay, okay. So what do we have here? So that's for our market structure. Okay, I hope you try to learn this one. Okay, if this one, the other flip zone, your demand, you flip, and then it became a supply. The demand turned into a supply and drops. Okay, so right now we are waiting for this one. This might happen during our current market right now. So we are waiting if this doesn't. You're waiting. If this doesn't work, then flip zone. It's gonna look like that one. Okay. But bullish. Our weekly is still bullish. Okay. Not close. Not close. Okay. So flip zone. Drop base rally. So drop base rally touches the demand, and here strong demand area, drop, and then pumps. Long wick hammer. Okay, so it went up again. Okay. So here, supply and demand. Stop loss for long position. Okay, you need to find this demand zone and then supply zone. You need to find this supply zone and then you place your stop loss above. Okay, just above the long wicks. Okay. That would be a good position. Okay, so not to hit your stop loss in day trading. Okay, so that you will not always think, what's happening with my trade? It's always top out. Okay. Not like that. It's just that your stop loss is not where it should be. Okay, so you better start learning where to place your stop loss. Okay. And that should be below demand and supply area, because your trade, even if you trade $30,000, it doesn't move the market. Okay, you enter here and you're waiting for the drop, and then your stop loss is right here, then you hit stop loss right away once it pumps. Okay, so you need to find your stop loss so you will not hit your stop loss right away. You need to find the demand area and the supply area. Okay. I hope I make sense. Hello everyone. And for those who are in our TikTok community, hello Magic Chess. For those who are in our TikTok community, make sure you join our YouTube. Okay, so this is our YouTube channel, Scholar Trade. So you can comment 20 USDT and have an entry for our raffle every Sunday. Okay. All good. That's basic for our technical analysis. Now let's check some news. Okay. So here, Peter Brandt hints at another 30% BTC breakout as he shares this fundamental pattern. This is the fundamental pattern that he shared. So he's bullish. Okay, still bullish, very bullish. Okay. So more 30% uptrend. Okay. So what is he expecting? Price would reach up to okay. We'll see. There is also a funny news here. We were not able to have it yesterday, but there was a dormant wallet that got awoken. Okay, dormant Bitcoin. Okay, this one. Last 10 years ago, 22.1 million has been activated after 9.8 years. Okay, a Bitcoin wallet containing 500 Bitcoin. Wow, it's now activated again. Imagine, he got 500 Bitcoins only last 10 years ago. Do you know what's the price of Bitcoin 10 years ago? Okay, so for those curious, let me show you the price of Bitcoin. Okay, this is 10 years ago, December 12. Okay, it's 2022 now, right? So December 12 is 10 years ago. And look at the Bitcoin price. It is $13. Okay, it's $13.9. So he has a $13.9. He bought 13.9 worth of Bitcoin, and he got 500 Bitcoin times 13.9. So he only spent $6,950. Okay? Imagine, and after 10 years, what's the price of his Bitcoin? It's now 22 million. Okay? So this one this one seems like he's a Wojak guy, the one that we watch in YouTube, Wojak about crypto. A Wojak buys Bitcoin and then goes to prison, create some silly things, and then goes to prison for 10 years so he will not panic sell. and then goes out after 10 years, and then checks his wallet, and voila, he's a millionaire. Okay? So that's why I said it's a funny news, because it got activated. Okay? Has been activated. So, kinda lucky guy, right? So, if you want to have to be a diamond hand, okay, so maybe you go to hibernation for 10 years. Okay? Okay. And you can just see how much it moved. The price movement was from here up to our price right now, it's 329,000%. Okay, that's a lot of movement for Bitcoin. 329,000%. Okay, so imagine if Bitcoin moves 329,000% from here. 329. Okay, here. So the price of Bitcoin would be 153 million. So 153 million. So if you do it after 10 years and it moves this way, then you have a 153 million worth of Bitcoin. So if you hold just one Bitcoin, then you're gonna be ultra rich. And maybe you add the inflation, maybe you're 153 million less worthless, right? Because of the inflation. Okay, okay. Okay, so that's a news right there. And then another news, Bitcoin breaks 47,000. Can bulls aim 50k? Okay, so it's aiming 50k. Can it touch 50k? We are now trading above and it's moving. Deep supported in BTC. The next support would be 46,800. The next major support 46.3 and then 46. Okay, so that's the support that we can find if we don't break. Swing low to 47.5. Okay, okay. So everybody's bullish now, huh? Maybe that's dangerous for Bitcoin when everybody's bullish. Okay, so just enjoy the ride. The trend is your friend until the end, okay? Okay. So what do we have now? The next one will be the liquidation. Okay, we got 445 million liquidated. Are you one of the liquidated people? I hope not, right? Okay, so you use stop loss and you take profit. Okay? Okay, okay. So make sure you always take profit when trading. Okay? Okay. So we have 78% liquidated from short. Okay, these are people who do future trading and then they are doing so much risk. Okay, because if you don't play stop loss, you will be liquidated. And this is the people where they got liquidated. And it's good that our community are not part of this one because we don't get liquidation, okay? We always have a stop loss. That's right. Okay, and our crypto greed and fear index is right now 60. That's greed. Wow. This is the first time we touched 60. Okay, since November 18, we went below, under, and we never reached 60 anymore. And right now, we just touched 60. So I think we are already in the breakout point where we're gonna stay for a long time in the greed area. Okay, greed. Okay, G-R-E-E-D. Okay, so we'll see. We're gonna have some fear first. We're gonna drop from 60 and drop again to 42. So we are now in 60. So we might have some correction. And then from that correction, pumps again. Okay, this one is July, August. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay. So it's already 6:30. If you are not yet part of our practical group, make sure you scan that QR code below, left side. Scan that and you will be redirected to our community. Okay, so you will be redirected here. 1,522 members. Okay, you will be redirected here. You will be welcomed, and you get some signals also here. Okay, so these are the privileges that you get. Okay, once you are part already of our community. Okay. Okay. So you get a weekly time frame forecast. Okay, this is a price forecast for the whole day. Okay, daily time frame, 4-hour time frame, and then the specific signal is in 1-hour time frame. So you get a long signal posted on the welcome trade or KZ. Okay, so you got these signals with you. So if you want to join the practical group, this is the practical group where we give out signals. Okay, and seems like we have welcomed people right here. We gave out our signal here for entry. And then our BTC long position made 250. This is TP3. Take profit 3. Okay. This is the trade that we gave. Okay. Long position TP3 46400. Entry 44185. Okay. 44185. So 44185 here. 44185 and then TP3 46400. So we hit our take profit 3. Okay, so that's how we do our trades right here. So if you are not yet member, make sure our DOGE hit TP2 and TP1. Okay. Okay, and our member made also 52%. Okay, so whenever you are opening short position, I always say we are trading against the trend. That's dangerous. So you only use 1% of your portfolio. Okay, 1% trade only, risk trade. Okay, this is a risky trade. So you only use 1% of your portfolio. Okay? Okay, so if you follow and then you scalp, then you still make money to the downside. But I seldom give, risky. Okay, so this one. Okay. So that's our community. How did it happen? It looks like this one. Okay. Hello, Kevs. Buena fe. Yes, we start 6 p.m. so it's already 6:32. Maybe late, but still, at least you are here, right? Yeah, we appreciate you staying here. Okay. Okay. So, yes. Okay, so now let's check our Bitcoin. Okay, what do we have with our Bitcoin? What's happening with our Bitcoin? Okay, so right here, this is your free community. You are here. You got daily forecast, live technical analysis. Once you scan that QR code in the left side, then you get redirected here. And then practical group, once you open ULIAN account in ulianex.live. Okay, ulianex.live. And then from there, you add funds to your ULIAN balance, at least $100 to $500. And then you start trading in ULIAN. And so you get 2 daily signals, beginner course. We have Zoom class every Tuesday and Thursday, okay? And then learning videos, live technical analysis. Okay, this is what you get. And then once you grow your capital to 500, greater than 500, then you get more than 2 signals, and you have exclusive signals and one-on-one review meeting, learning videos, advanced courses, daily signals. Okay, that's what we get here with the exclusive. Okay. So I hope you be part of our community, and if you like what we are doing, join our ULIAN community, join our Trade Scholar community, and trade with us. And you get signal and you learn at the same time. You just don't follow signal blindly, and you get to see. And as you can see, our community, some here are already learning trading. Okay, some are already some people here really knows already how to trade. Okay, it's just that with here they have found community and they can grow. Okay. So no toxic here, just enjoying the day Okay, and making money. Okay, and they even started their own TA. That's good. That's our desire, that everybody knows how to do their own TA. Okay, so you get better every day right here. Okay, so they are doing their trades. Okay, and we appreciate that one. Okay, 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 okay. Just make sure you don't liquidate your account by following our stop loss strategy, okay? Okay, only in Trade Scholar community. Yes, yes, yes. That's what you get in Trade Scholar community, and you learn so many things, okay? And we also learn from our community, okay? And we ourselves, on our trading strategy, we always develop it, okay, as we continue to grow also. Okay, okay, okay. So now let's check our Bitcoin. So weekly time frame. This is fairly, let me delete this one. Weekly time frame, what do we have? Let's pull out the VPVR. Okay. In VPVR, weekly time frame. This is monthly time frame, by the way. And we still have 3 days and 14 hours. Oh, we are almost done with our 1 month time frame. Wow. And this is a breakout trade. See the breakout trade here? Okay. This is 1 month, okay? If you don't notice, this is monthly time frame. And in monthly time frame, we have found a breakout. Just like here, it breaks here. Okay. Okay, it breaks here. And then right here, it's also breaking here. This channel down. Okay, these two. You can also see a breakout trade. So that means this is going to be a... This is bullish harami. And this one is morning star. Okay, so once we close this area, then you can just imagine where it will be going for the next month. Okay, so fly high. That will be it. Okay, okay, okay. Hello, hello, hello. 20 USDY. Not USDY, ah. US dollar yen. US dollar tether. USDT, okay? You don't ask why, you ask T. Okay, just kidding around. Okay, so this weekly, we still have 3 days and it's still bullish, okay? So hopefully we break this out. We break this out. Okay? Okay, okay. So now let's go to weekly time frame. What do we have for weekly time frame? Ooh. Ooh la 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 la. Ooh la la. And as you can see, our channel down here, a breakout, and we have a head and shoulder pattern. Our head and shoulder pattern have been invalidated. We are currently invalidating our head and shoulder, okay? How did we invalidate it? We went inside again. Okay, the invalidation area is right here. This is the invalidation area, okay? You make it align. So this is the invalidation area of the head and shoulder. So if you go inside it, that means it's invalidated. Okay, so we have invalidated it. We have closed above. That means this one is huge potential to the upside. Okay, there is a huge potential to the upside. Okay, okay. We have broken all the supply zone. This has been a supply zone for a long time. Okay. This has been a supply zone. And this supply zone here, you can see we always enter. And then we get a rejection. Okay. Look at that supply zone right there. We drop and then drop. Entered and then drop. Try to enter and then drop. Try to enter and then drop. Up. Up. And now we are breaking it. Then we have turned it into support. Wow. So we have turned the supply zone into a demand zone. This supply zone has become a demand zone. So what is happening now? It's a rally-based rally. Rally-based rally. Ooh la la. This is bullish, my friends. Okay. Here. So supply turned into a demand area. And now we are pumping to the upside. Supply turned into a demand area, making it. So now we are changing direction. Okay. Okay. We are breaking ground right here. Okay. So daily time frame. Our daily time frame. We are inside the supply area. Okay. This is also a supply area right here. This is a high volume node. So if we break this area, if we stay longer here, then that's gonna be a demand. We're gonna change the supply into a demand, and then we're gonna pump more to the upside. Okay. Okay. So what happens is if we break this high volume node, we can expect more to the upside because there is a little volume here. A low volume node, we can easily break that one. High volume node, it's hard to break that one. Okay. It's good that we were able to cross this area. We have stayed here for so many times. We always get a rejection in this area, but now we have broken it and we are trying to stay here. Okay. And in daily time frame, awesome oscillator is bullish. Okay. Super bullish and huge volume here kicking in. Okay. Okay. Hello. Kevs, Buenafel, let's go. Okay. Hello. So 4-hour time frame, what do we have in 4-hour time frame? So I hope you're learning something and you are getting something, okay? Hello to our 2021 viewers. Shout out to you guys. Okay. Look at this one here. Seems like... Okay. What happened here? Okay. All the supply zone turned into a demand zone. Okay. That's what we are seeing also now in our Bitcoin. All the supply zone turned into a demand zone. Okay. We are now pumping hard. Pam. Okay. So we have touched the demand zone. This is the demand zone here. Okay. Let me draw the demand zone. Okay, that's the demand zone right there. Okay. We touched the demand zone twice. And with our demand zone, we have some little supply zone. Okay, mini supply zone right here. We drop and we touch, we drop and we touch, we drop and we touch. Then drops again. Then breaks. Major supply zone drops. And then touch again, and you can see our supply zone playing its role, rejection, and then drops, and then another supply zone here. But this time we turn the supply zone into a demand, so we start pumping. Okay. And here our another demand zone, supply zone here, turned into a demand zone in this area. Okay. Basically, that's how the market goes. So whenever you know the demand and supply area, you can always win in your trade and avoid hitting your stop loss always. Okay. 1 hour time frame. What do we have in 1 hour time frame? So if you want to trade this one, you just need to find this one is the key. Okay, let me show you. What you need to find is this one. We are now here. Rally-based rally. So you need to find this low volume. So you can have a retest of the zone. And then you can enter here. So you can ride again to the upside. Okay. It already happened here. The rally. So we now need this one. This demand zone. Okay. And where is that one? So with your volume. Low volume right here. It touches already here. Okay. Let's pull out the Fibonacci line. Swing low to swing high. Swing low to swing high. And from here, if you're gonna find some demand zone, you can see it in 30 minutes. and 15 minutes also. Look at this one. Attach from the demand zone. Then pumps again. Okay, so it touched the demand zone right here. You can have your demand zone right here. Okay, you have your demand zone. This one, or you can treat this candle right here as your demand zone. Okay, or you can have just this demand zone. Okay, if that is the case, if this is the demand zone, then attach here would pump the price. Then that would mean we also found the supply zone. Supply zone is right here. Okay, we got a rejection here. Look at this long wick. There is too much supply in this area that we got dropped here. But of course, we're gonna fill this long wick. So we're gonna pump more to the upside, okay? So if this is the case, we have touched the supply and the demand. If you're gonna enter position, you can enter in this one. Long position here. Okay. Or you make it 47,000. Exact 47,000. Okay, let's check the 15 minutes. Okay, as you can see, it's forming higher high, higher low. Primary low, higher low. And then it's gonna form another higher low here. So either you put your entry here because it's already touched, and this is going to be the next demand zone. Okay, this demand zone here. This is the next demand zone, little demand zone, okay? This is a little demand zone here. So you can place at least your entry right here. Okay? And then you can open long position. Either you open here and then you enter here and then your stop loss. If your entry is right here and then you want to keep a safe stop loss below this bigger demand zone, so you have 0.79 stop loss. Entry for 7029, your stop loss is 0.79. So how much will be your liquidate? How much will be your leverage? So this is how you find your leverage. What leverage to use? It's not fixed. You're not gonna always use low leverage, not always big leverage, always base where your stop loss is located. Okay? Okay, listen now. So if it is, you're taking the loss, your stop loss is 46660, then that means 0.79 loss. So 0.79 times, you can have 100x. Okay? 100x stop loss would mean 100x leverage would mean you're gonna lose 79% of your trade. If you hit your stop loss, then you're gonna lose 79% of your trade. Okay? And for example, I tell you to only use 2 to 3% of your portfolio and you have $5,000. So you're gonna use only 0.1%, 0.1. Okay? So if you have 0.1, then that would mean you're gonna trade only $50 from your 5,000 capital. Okay? And then I tell you to use stop loss. Your stop loss should be 1% from your whole portfolio. Okay, whole portfolio. That means not per trade, which is 79% is your stop loss. Your whole portfolio. So if you have $5,000 and your stop loss is 1%, 0.01, that would mean you're gonna lose $50 and your entry is $50. That would mean you can have 100% stop loss. But your risk is manageable, right? Because your stop loss is right here. It is below a zone. Okay, two zone, minor zone, demand zone, and then a bigger demand zone which it would most likely not hit. So you can continue to the upside. If there will be long wicks, you will not hit your stop loss. Okay? Okay, with this in mind, this is your entry. I'm teaching you already risk management, okay, and in trading. So now you measure your profit. You take profit in 47750. You put it, this is your take profit, 1.53%. Okay, that's 1.53% profit. 1.53. Now you multiply it with 100 because you have 100x leverage. Now you made 153%. Wow. So 153% profit. So now if you are having $50 and then times 1.53, then you make $76 from your 50. So now 76 plus $50, that means you now have $126. Okay, with your high risk, high reward. Okay, your risk is up to here and your reward is up to here. So that's a huge profit still. Okay? Okay, so that's how you do your trading. You don't just enter based on emotion that I will enter now because it seems like it's pumping. No, you need to find first the zone. The minor zone for support for the demand and supply area. Okay, and then you choose to pull out your Fibonacci line so you can find some important areas also. Okay, so supply and demand is always necessary so you will not hit your stop loss anytime soon. Okay, hello Fernando Luis Escalante from Facebook. OGNE, is that a coin? Okay, we'll check it. Hello bro. Kenneth John Ignacio Capasao, yes sir. OGN or OGNE. Okay, we will check that coin, okay? Okay, so I'll be giving you the signal. I think I have shown you what the signal most might be. Or we might have, it is still bullish, okay? This is 15, this is 30. 30 though is bearish, 30 minutes is bearish. 1 hour is bearish also. But 4 hour is bullish. Okay, so nothing. 4 hour is bullish, so you follow the 4 hour. You don't follow the lower time frame. Always follow the biggest time frame, okay? So you don't get wrecked and you don't sit on the rocket ship by opening short. Okay? Okay, okay. So now let's check the suggested coin and then OGN. Let's check what's OGN. OGNE. Is this the one? There is only pair for Ethereum. Oh, no. OGN only. Okay, we'll have the OGN. Let's check it. Origin protocol. Okay, OGN then. Here for futures. What is OGN telling us? Weekly time frame. Ooh. Massive pump right there. Let's check some trend line if we have broken something. Okay. We might gonna test the support, but this is the major demand area. Okay, we have touched it. We can make it higher here. Okay, demand area. Then there might be a retest again here. And then the supply area is right here. You can see long wicks, right? That's demand area right there. And then you pull out your Fibonacci, swing low, swing high. Okay, so your entry, you can enter in 0.786. If you want to trade this one. Entry right here. Then your stop loss is below our zone. Below our zone. You place your stop loss at least right here. That's too far, right? That's already how many percent would that be? 67 because this is weekly. Okay, so you do find that in the 4-hour time frame, and you can easily find other support the zones here. Okay, this is the mini zone. Okay, the mini zone, the demi zones. Okay, this is the zone. You can enter here. Okay, since we bounced there, and you place your stop loss below the zone. Okay, so this is 4-hour time frame. So I think this is fair enough. Still, the stop loss is 8.40%. 8.4. This is double bottom, okay? So in 4-hour time frame, we are forming bullish pattern. Let me draw the bullish pattern for chart pattern. So if you think you are a astrologer only because you are doing technical analysis, it is a self-fulfilling prophecy. Okay? Why self-fulfilling prophecy? Because why it's self-fulfilling prophecy? Because if there are millions of people using this double bottom chart pattern. Okay, where's the chart pattern? Here. Double bottom here, bullish bottom. So they are using this one. So they see a double bottom. So this is bullish. So if there are 4 million traders using this one, let's say with 7 billion, let's say 70 or 80% of day traders uses it. So if there is millions of people using this double bottom chart pattern, that would mean this will be a self-fulfillment prophecy because everybody will enter here. Okay? Because this is a self-fulfillment prophecy. This is the supply zone. This is the supply zone in this area. We need to break this so we can go to the upside. Okay? Supply zone. You can break this entry right here. Price target will be from bottom to top. Okay? This. And then right here. Okay? Our price target will be right here with this double bottom, okay? Okay. And just make sure you see all the supply zone, mini supply zone, because we will not have a straight line like this one. Okay, it will always look like this one. We will hit a supply zone and then bounce and then try to break the supply zone and then make it a support. Then hit the take profit. Okay, usually it looks like that one. Okay. Okay, our awesome oscillator in 4 hours is already bullish. Okay, this is bullish twin peaks. Okay, this is a good trade already. Okay. Okay. Kakauwi ko lang. Present po. Yes, good to see you. Hello, Ram. See you. Nakatulog, boss. Good that you got your rest. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. So what do we have here? Okay. We have another suggestion. Hello, Zangwin. Good to see you. Another suggestion is near. Okay, near protocol. Okay, we'll check near. Okay, the last one. Okay, near. Here. Near. Oh, it has flipped all the supply zone into a demand zone already. 4-hour time frame is bullish. Okay, bullish tosser in awesome oscillator. And we are about to break some walls again. We are now in the supply zone. Okay, this is supply zone. I hope we stay longer here. We have flip mini demand zone. Okay, we have flip mini demand right here. Okay, so this before supply zone, now it became demand zone. Okay, we have made it a bouncing area. Another demand zone, mini demand zone here. Okay, so we have turned supply zone where we mostly get rejection and turned it into a demand zone. We are flipping it. Okay, major demand area. Our major demand area is sitting right here. Okay, so you can see most bounces in this area. Okay, this is the demand major. Okay. Okay, so if we break this, then we're gonna have some bullish. Okay, in weekly time frame, it's super bullish. Okay, bullish saucer here. That's bullish. Okay, For those who are not familiar with bullish saucer, let me show you. Okay, I always support what I'm saying with the bookish background. Okay, bullish saucer here. Small red, big green volume, so it's bullish. You can see the chart went up. Small red and then big green volume, then went up. Invasion to the upside. Okay, that's what we are seeing in near. Now that you're near. Okay. Okay, everyone. Thank you for joining our live. Okay, we gonna go to our raffle, right? So we need a suggestion would be we will be using incognito mode. Okay, so that we will not be followed. Okay. So raffle generator. I don't know if this will save, okay? So I'll just copy it. Fields of name, raffle generator. Okay. Like there are names already here. Okay. So that we will not be followed by cookies, right? Cookies always follow us. Okay, so let me add the names then. Okay. No need to comment again, okay? If you have commented already. Joyson Candol. El Negro. Franklin Faro. Franklin Faro. Kent Mendoza. Yes, Ramil. Madeline. I am still waiting for my delivery, okay? So I can start using my MacBook for our live stream. It might be better, right? So we'll see. I'm just waiting for the delivery for the accessory so we can use it for our live stream. Alright. Mary and then Chris Cruz. Droidy. Chris Cruz. Odds. Droidy, no signal, no 20 USDT yet. Comment 20 USDT, okay? So you can have your entry. Okay, comment 20 USDT for our viewers in TikTok. Join our YouTube channel, okay? So you can comment 20 USDT and you'll be part of our raffle, okay? Okay. Odds Lottie. And then Galene Elliot. Yeah, it's hard to survive the first 3 years in marriage, okay? So once you break that 3 years, you can observe in the statistic, especially in US, that the first 3 years, if they don't survive it, they get divorced, okay? Because usually in the first 3 years, you get a child, you get a baby, and what happens when you get a baby? Only one person now can work, right? So if there is only one person can work, that means that's less of your income. And if you have less income, but your expenses is the same, okay? Your expenses is the same. For example, the salary of the man is, the salary of your husband is for the transpo, eating out, outside, gas, and all the stuff, okay? And then the salary of your wife is for the bills, utilities, rent. So all your salary as a purpose to pay, okay? So and now once you lose one job because the other one is pregnant and is sensitive with her pregnancy, then what happens is they lose the job, or they stop for a while, like matriarchal, what do we call that one? Okay, so in other words, they don't have work, and the bills keep going, keep blowing, and so you borrow money to cover up your expenses until you are now always. Okay, John Paulo Lumapas, John Ventura. And then what happens is you fight now always. Okay, you always fight because you don't have money. Okay, for the bills and stuff, because you lose income already. Okay? So that's why they fight most of the time in the first 3 years. Okay? The fight with my wife only happened in the first year. Okay? Me with my wife, we fight, but we don't fight. Yeah, we fight also with money in the beginning. That's why I work hard. I work hard and studied, learn so many things. So we don't fight with money. So we skip the fighting with the money, and the next thing that we fight about is our difference. Okay, so we fight and fight for the first year. So it's good that my uncle advised us after our wedding to hide all the breakable glasses gift from the wedding. Okay, so you hide it all because it will all be broken, shattered, because you will throw it out when you fight. Funny, right? Edmund, where are you? RA, you're good. My. So what happened is, yeah, we fight and things get broken in the first year. Okay, that's the first year. And so we got a counselor. We privileged. We just pay at least like $30 per week. We meet with the counselor every week. So we pay $30, at least $30. And then we have a counseling. We talk there. We learn about our background, different background. And so our understanding with each other background get bigger, and so we understand each other better, and so the fight became lesser. Okay, that's the secret there. You get a counselor. You don't get a counselor because you are about to get divorced. You get a counselor because you want to understand each other. Okay, that's how we overcame the first 3 years. And after that, the second year, we're done with the counselor. I think we're all good. So we just talk with the counselor whenever necessary. But we have the counselor at least for a good 1 year. Okay? The second year and then the third year, the running third year, no counselor anymore. The first year, fighting, no counselor. Second year, we have counselor, less fight. Magic Chess Allen. Okay? And then Droidy. Okay? Enjoy the slide. So that's how we overcome the first 3 years. Okay? Just sharing it might help you also once you get married. Okay, if you need counselor, I can refer to you someone, okay? He's also Filipino, so you don't have to talk to him in English, okay? Just natural. You can tell usually what the counselor does, you just keep quiet. Okay? There's a middle ground because once you fight with each other, no one listens to no one, right? You don't listen to each other. You are right and your wife is right, so you're both right. So who's wrong now? So you have a counselor to balance it out. Okay? And there will be no favoritism, no favor with each other. Just looking at it in a neutral ground. Hi, Lian. So next is Kebs Benape. You're done, right? Okay, Kebs. Let's add Kebs. Benape, Myla, PTM. I hope to see new winners in our raffle, okay? Okay. John Ventura, Jo Marie Herrera. Oh, John Ventura, right? John Ventura, we have John Ventura. So, Jo Marie. Okay. Then John Zamud. It's also good to have only one wife, okay? So if you want to be rich, you need to focus with one source of income, one wife, one business, so you can maximize it well, okay? If you're gonna be a day trader, you give your best to be the best day trader. Don't give up, okay? Kenneth, John, Ignacio, Tapas, Fernando, no entry. Sam Bezon is here. Okay, Sam is on. Dan Kenneth Velasco. Dan Kenneth Velasco. Fernando Luis, Hyde, Pedro, Zangwin. Yes, good to see you here. Zangwin. KTM, you're here. Okay, KTM, Droidy, also. San Paulo Map. Clyde Lian Granada also. Okay, Clyde Lian. Here. Ava Grande. Welcome. We are an educational platform, okay? Check our previous live stream to add it to your trading strategy. Dupo session. Dupo session. Rio, hello Rio. See you. Neil. Okay, so this is our entry for today. We have 42 entries for today, okay? We'll try to save this one, but this needs a login. So I'll try to copy also this one, okay? So we can know later if it's going to save, okay? If it is going to save. I'll save it in the other one here. So here. I'll save it also here. And we'll see if there is autosave also there, okay? There's also autosave here in the cognito. So we'll see if it's going to save automatic, okay? Okay. So that's it for our live for today. Okay. So our raffle is every Sunday. So every day is a new entry, okay? So if you're always present every day, so you're gonna have more entries and more chances of winning. Our winners, like Lara Ingrid, El Negro, and who's the other one? The 3 winners yesterday were all perfect attendance, okay? So they have perfect attendance every day. So make sure you are always present every day so you can have your entry. And also try to learn our technical analysis and join our Telegram community, okay? So you can observe and you can see how it works, okay? And then you can try and start making money also, okay? Okay. All the best. Cheers. Let's make some money. Bye-bye. A signal will be given in our practical group. Okay, all the best. Cheers. Bye-bye.